What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today is day 2 at this deck job that we are doing. If you saw my last video, then you know what I'm talking about and you're probably up to pace. But if you are not, you might want to go check that out if you want to see what we did to get to the point that we're at. But either way, the guys brought 2x6s with them, some longer ones up on the roof. I'm about to pull these out of here. I have to use these for solid blocking to screw all of our Trex hidden fasteners to. So we're not going to be able to lay the decking until it warms up a little bit. It's still only in the 40s today, maybe not even, but it's definitely a little chilly. So we are getting all the framing done. That way when we are ready to lay the decking, we can just come and install that and get out of here. So I am about to pull these out of here and bring them over there to get them cut for all the blocking. Rodrigo and Vicente are working on the other framing stuff. We have a smaller pool inside where the old pool used to be, so we have to close it off a bit. But let me get the stuff out of here and get to work.
Let's go.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we have a bunch of the solid blocking in, and we have these doubled up and all framed correctly. So we have to come down here. This decking is running this way, so we don't have to put solid blocking on these small sections on the side. But when we get down here, we'll have to do it again. These got doubled. We have to finish framing this closed right here, and then put solid blocking all down in here. And then every single one of these intersections, so 4 of them, 1, 2, 3, 4, will get a footing dug and a post down to concrete to support this. So I think we'll be back here tomorrow, but for now we're gonna keep working. All right, guys, so we just finished up for today and got everything all cleaned up. We got a bunch of the solid blocking done here. We have to finish this up tomorrow. We got most of the framing around the pool here done. We have to finish a little bit down here and get all this framing done. We have a piece there that needs to come in, like you have here. And then we have to do some framing around this filter basket so that they can get to it once the deck is on. So that is going to be a little tricky. I think we're going to put a 2x12 on the flat and then cut a hole the size of the filter basket so they can just reach down through there. And then we have to dig 4 holes and pour concrete underneath these 4 intersections. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last thing we have to do is finish putting these big lags into these 6x6s. I did a couple over here, but unfortunately we ran out. So that is a job for tomorrow. The guys are going to pick up material in the morning and I will meet them here. But tomorrow I have a little bit of a crazy day. I have to come here, go to our shop for a delivery, then come back here, and hopefully we can get all this done. It looks like it might rain in the afternoon, so hopefully not. But if you guys have any questions, comments, definitely let me know. But either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.